So these are our ingredients, guys. So we got a funnel, of course. We have milk. We have cooking oil, baking powder, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, pure vanilla. We got 2 eggs. We have powdered sugar. We got regular sugar. We got salt. We got all-purpose flour. So let's get started, guys. So first, I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now I am adding the baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm adding just a pinch, guys, of salt, 1 tablespoon of regular sugar, I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon. Guys, these things were so good. I'm telling you. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of the ground ginger. 1 teaspoon. That ginger, I'm telling you, is gonna give it a nice kick, guys. So I'm adding 2 eggs to 1.5 cups of milk. I always like to whisk my stuff together, my liquids, before I add it to my dry ingredients every time I'm making anything. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. As you can see, I like to whisk it before I add it to my dry ingredients. Okay, and guys, while we're doing this, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button and the notification, guys. Notification is important. It's going to let you know every time I upload a new video. All right, and you'll be the first one to know. So make sure you hit that bell button. So here, let's combine together our dry ingredients with our liquid ingredients and just whisk it. You almost want this batter to be consistent, almost like you making a pancake batter. All right. And I do these in so many flavors like red velvet and a bunch of other flavors, which through the years I would make some more of these, especially the red velvet during the holidays. Ooh, and you had those kids over and family, and I will bring those to you. But today we are doing this one. I had some guys that day working in my house, putting some new screens. So when I made these, I went outside and I asked them if they wanted any, and they said yes. So those men, they sat down and I gave them a huge one each and something to drink. And let me tell you, they love this recipe. One of the guys asked me, what was the name of those again? You know, they were Mexican, and I was like, yeah, I used to do eating churros, but this is kind of similar, you know. And he was like, that was delicious. And I said, well, you could tell your wife to watch my channel and she would know how to make it too, right? I said, everybody to the channel. He was like, he would definitely do that. So they were delicious, all right? They were delicious. So here I am pouring the batter. You have to make sure, guys, your oil is pretty hot, okay, when you do this, or else your batter is going to sink to the bottom and it's not going to have the same effect. As you can see, literally like 30 seconds, I'm already turning it. Okay, you don't want it so hot where, of course, it's going to burn. No, I would say medium high. But you got to make sure your oil is hot. Okay. So here I'm gonna turn it again, pretty much like every second until you get it to the consistency that you want. My funnel, for some reason, like the bottom of it was like kind of small. I think it's kind of small. But if you have a bigger one where your string are bigger, much better. But the taste, it doesn't harm the taste how thin or how thick it is. I promise you, they were delicious. All right. So here I'm gonna turn it one more time. Look at how pretty that is, guys. Nice and golden. Look at that. This is so good, especially you have it like a movie night with the kids or anyone. Like these are so good with, oh man, with any type of drink. They are so delicious. So here I am cleaning my oil before I do the second batch, as you can see. So make sure you clean it as much as you can before you drop in your second batch, right? Again, make sure your oil is hot. You see, like the bottom of that funnel, like I'm gonna look around for a thicker one so I could have it for my next recipe. But like I said, it's not gonna affect the flavor, the texture, or nothing. You have a small one, use the small one, darling. It's fine. As long as your oil is hot, it's supposed to rise up to the top right away, as you can see, right? And you also cook these, you know, if you like them darker, if you like them lighter, it is all preference, guys. It is all preference at this time. I like mine with a little crisp on it. But if you want yours lighter, go ahead and make them lighter. And like I said, you're just gonna enjoy it. You're just gonna enjoy it. So now we are gonna sprinkle some powdered sugar on this bad boys. Look at that. It is snowing, guys. Snowing in the kitchen. But it's good snow. It's good snow right here. All right, guys. So this is pretty much the finished product. Please give this recipe a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as you can see, it's gorgeous. It's delicious. And I hope you enjoy this recipe and share it with your loved ones. All right, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for the support. And I will see you on the next recipe. You guys have a blessed day.